Okay, let me angle this down a little bit. Let me check my angle. We're gonna see. And I've got, like I said, I cut 3 different sizes. These are some very chunky oak blocks, but I think they're gonna look really cute for these houses. And I thought how cute it would be to do 3 various sizes. I could maybe put a word on one of them. So I'm gonna pull these out. So there are 3 different houses in here. So I'm gonna probably put this guy right here. And I'm gonna start with a base color. So we're gonna do this one. We'll start here. And because I'm filling in such a large space, I'm not as concerned about offloading because I'm gonna start right inside of here. So you can take the time whenever you get done stenciling to go ahead and clean them after you're done. Same with your brushes. Everything is reusable, which is fantastic. Okay, so let me just set that off to the side for a minute. So now my little house, because I can see right through these, you guys, I'm gonna just line this house up and we're gonna put it on this base. Okay, so I'm excited to take this off. Oh, it's so cute. So cute. So this guy, we're gonna tape it on. I think I'm gonna try this olive green. We're gonna try it and see what happens. So this one is a little bit muted as well, which I kind of like. Now I'm gonna lift this up and I'm gonna position the house part with the windows. I'll let that dry for a minute up there and then I'll go over it. Oh yeah, that's totally better. That is better. How cute is this? Isn't that cute? That is better. That looks better. Needed that contrast. Okay, so let's look at this for a minute. I've got one more little house. And I think I'm gonna flip it. Well, I about ripped my stencil. I'm gonna flip it this way. Okay, let's go gold. Oh, that's gonna look good. I feel like that's a good call. If we can get it to stay solid on here. This is like just a normal craft paint. It's called King's Gold. Oh yeah, that looks good. That's gonna look good. Okay. So now we're gonna switch this over to the other side. For the sake of taping it down, I'm gonna place this right over. These are layering stencils. So I'm gonna line up the house. It just goes right on top of it. These are awesome stencils. I was so excited whenever I got them. Just something so different. Oh yeah, that's cute. Those are so cute. Out. I just don't know. I may ask my friend if she would rather have them because like this, I could also do something to the back of them so that they're reversible. I think they turned out pretty good. But I do have room up here. So I could drop something like peaceful and primitive. I could drop, I don't think that would work up there. I'll do gather. I like gather. That's cute. Very cute. And I might go ahead and do fade, because the words are going to be able to be used for so many things. White and black, or they're black and white and green, whatever color scheme they are all coordinated and they are just rustic and maybe sometimes sanded off a little bit to look a little bit aged. But they're just simple words. Look at how cute. Those turned out cute. I could even go so far as to go around these and do words around them. Little guy right there. I feel like that's really cute. I appreciate you guys hopping on with me, and I will see you soon. Have a good week. Bye.